A work order and timesheet template is a valuable tool for streamlining field operations and ensuring accurate record keeping. The template should be organized into logical sections to capture all necessary information related to the job. Let's explore the key components of an effective work order and timesheet template. The first section is job information, which should include fields for customer name and job address. These fields provide essential context for the work being performed. A job description field allows technicians to briefly summarize the nature of the task. The next section, parts, lists common parts that technicians frequently use in the field. This section might include pre-populated fields for items such as air filters, furnace filters, water filters, and thermostats. Another specify field allows technicians to add any parts not listed. The materials section lists commonly used materials such as copper pipe, PVC pipe, duct tape, and electrical wire. Again, another specify field provides flexibility for documenting additional materials. The equipment section lists common equipment that technicians may encounter on the job. This section might include pre-populated fields for items such as HVAC units, water heaters, and generators. The other specify field allows for documenting any additional equipment used. The labor section is crucial for tracking the time and effort spent on a job. It should include a description of work performed field where technicians can detail the tasks they completed. An hours work field allows technicians to accurately record the time spent on the job. The job notes section provides a space for technicians to record any additional information or observations about the job. This could include details about the condition of equipment, any challenges encountered, or recommendations for future work. The additional expenses section allows technicians to document any expenses incurred during the job. This might include fields for mileage and other specified expenses. Finally, the signature and date section provides a space for the technician and customer to sign and date the work order, acknowledging that the work has been completed and approved. The template should also include fields for technician signature, customer signature, and date. By using a comprehensive work order and timesheet template, technicians can ensure that all necessary information is captured accurately and consistently. This can improve communication, reduce errors, and streamline billing processes. For example, consider a scenario where a technician is dispatched to a customer's home to repair a faulty air conditioning unit. Using the work order and timesheet template, the technician would first fill out the job information section, including the customer's name, address, and a brief description of the problem. Next, the technician would use the parts, materials, and equipment sections to document any items used during the repair. This might include a new air filter, refrigerant, and a replacement capacitor. In the labor section, the technician would describe the work performed, such as diagnosing the problem, replacing the faulty components, and testing the unit. The technician would also record the number of hours spent on the job. In the job notes section, the technician might note any unusual observations, such as a corroded electrical connection or a refrigerant leak. Finally, the technician would fill out the additional expenses section, including the mileage driven to the customer's home. Both the technician and the customer would sign and date the work order, confirming that the work has been completed to the customer's satisfaction. This comprehensive documentation provides a clear record of the work performed, the parts and materials used, and the time spent on the job. It can be used for billing purposes, warranty claims, and future service requests. In addition to the sections mentioned above, the work order and timesheet template may also include other fields such as the job number, a purchase order number, and a payment method. These fields can help to further streamline the billing process and track job-related expenses. When designing a work order and timesheet template, it is important to consider the specific needs of the business. Some businesses may require more detailed information than others. The template should be easy to use and understand, and it should be designed to minimize errors. It is also important to ensure that the template is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. For example, some states may require certain information to be included on work orders. By using a well-designed work order and timesheet template, businesses can improve their efficiency, reduce errors, and provide better customer service. This can lead to increased profitability and customer satisfaction.